Hello, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how inside your server room, how everything connected and how the network is connected, or how the switch are working and connected to the ISP. Have you ever wondered what really goes on inside a server room? How all those blinking lights, cable, switch and router connect to make the whole network works? In this video, we are going inside the real server room to explore how everything connects from patch panels to servers and how data flow across the network. Let us start from here. This is the PoE switch that has 48 ports that can be connected to computers. And then this is the second switch, and this is the third one, and this is the optical fiber distribution where the fiber optic network is, and this is the router, okay, and this is the other, which is fiber optic distribution where the fiber optic network is coming from. Let us start here. For example, you are setting a server room but you don't have router. This is the media converter. Media converter which will help you convert internet from fiber optic to Ethernet, where you have to connect fiber optic cable here, and then you need to take your network from this port to your access point. Let us show you. I'm going to find the router or access point that can help us. Okay, this is the access point and this is the network cable. Then you have to connect fiber optic from optical fiber distribution. Then after to convert it, you have to connect Ethernet cable, this cable into Ethernet cable, then connect it to your access point. You see, then because you are using ISP, you have to connect into this port of internet. Then to configure this access point from ISP, you have to use, or you have to find my video talking about how to set up an access point, links, where you will find how to configure network address from ISP, like public IP, subnet IP, subnet mask, and default gateway from ISP, and even the DNS provided from ISP. Then after to configure it, you have to bring the other network cable, like you have to connect the among of those ports, one of those ports. Then connect it to your switch. After to connect it to your switch, the internet will come from this access point to the switch. I have many videos talking about those configurations. Okay, this was about to talk about when you don't have this router. You have to use this media converter and connect it to your access point. Let us continue. Then you have fiber optic distribution device like this. You have to take this fiber optic cable from this distribution. Then you have to come to your router. Then connect your fiber optic. Okay? After to connect your fiber optic, you have to configure router. We have seen how to configure router into Cisco packet tracer. Okay? Then after to configure this router, it is the one that has all configurations of the network, like public IP, subnet mask, default gateway, even DNS from ISP. Then after, you will configure your private network. After to configure your private network or your internal network, you have to take the cable from your router to one of the switch among of them. Then after to connect it to your switch, it means this switch has internet directly connected to this router. Then the other switch, we have to connect it from here to the second one. Then from here to the third one. Then after to supply the internet from this router, it means all switch are connected together. It means they have internet or they have the same network from this router. After to supply internet to those switches, you have to connect your computers. After to connect your computers, you will get the internet, and this is the rack where you can fix your switches or your network devices like switch, and then this optical fiber distribution, your router. You have to use the screw by using screwdrivers to close or to screw these drives. Okay, you see this lock has all network devices where this lock is central connected to ISP. Then it is where we can get network to the institutions. Okay, thank you. That's it for today's look inside a real server room. I hope you learned how network connect everything. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and click the bell to see more video. See you next.